Section 8.3, scale diagrams. So a scale diagram is a drawing where measurements are proportionally reduced or enlarged from the actual measurements. A scale is similar to the original. So, if we're looking at example 1 on page 475, a builder plans to construct a house on a rectangular plot as shown in the sketch. Draw a scale diagram of the lot and house using a scale of 1 meter to 500 meters. So, what this is saying right here is our scale diagram is going to be 1/500 of the actual size. So, if we do each of our pieces, so our first measurement is 40 meters. So if we go 40 times 1/500, so you go 40 times 1 divided by 500, you get 0.08 meters. Okay, and you need to do this for each of the sides of the house. Okay, so one of my scales is cut off. This side length of the lot is 15 meters. So again, you want your picture to be 1/500. So 15 times 1 is 15 divided by 500, you get 0.03 meters. So you do this for each of the sides of the house. So the distance between the house and the lot is 4.5 meters times 1/500, 0.009 meters. The other distance from the side of the lot is 2 meters times 1/500. So 2 times 1 divided by 500 gets you 0.004 meters. 12 to this side of the house. 1/500. You get 0.024 meters. And our last dimension is 9 times 1/500, 0.018 meters. Okay, so if we were going to draw this, it's really hard to draw 0.08 of a meter. It's kind of silly for a picture, so we might think about switching our scale to centimeters. Something we can use a ruler to draw. So remember, there's 100 centimeters in every meter. So if we times this by 100, this actually turns into 8 centimeters. So if we take each of these measurements and times them, we will convert everything into centimeters. Then you'll just be able to draw this picture using a ruler with the proper measurements. Okay, and it'll look. And this is what it would look like if you use centimeters. Okay. So that would be our scale drawing. So example 2 is just design the logo shown for Environmental Club. She wants to enlarge the logo so that it can be applied to the front of the baseball cap. The hat company has suggested a scale factor of 5:3. 5/3. Draw a scale diagram of the logo as it will appear on the baseball cap. So first, we have no measurements here, so we'll use our ruler. And let's measure the the diameter of this big circle. So the diameter of outer circle, it looks like it is 3 centimeters. Okay, the diameter of the inner circle is 1.5 centimeters. And the length is about 0.75. So 9 centimeters. 0.75 centimeters. If we were to measure the angles, circle adds up to 360, and we have this split into 3 equal sections. So if we go 360 divided by 3, we should get 120. So each of these should be 120 degrees for the angles. So now the suggestion was it has a scale factor of 5/3. So if we take all of these and multiply them by 5/3, you get, this one should be 5 centimeters, because 3 times 5 is 15, divided by 3 is 5. 1.5 times 5 divided by 3, that will get us 2.5 centimeters. And 0.75 times 5/3 is equal to 1.25 centimeters. Now we don't change the scale of our degrees because the scale of our degrees always stays the same. So the degrees for this picture would still be 100. Example 3. The diameter of an animal cell that is represented by this scale diagram is actually 0.25 millimeters. What is the scale factor that was used to draw the diagram? So it's important we remember the formula. K is equal to the diagram measurement over the actual measurement. K is always representing the scale factor. So to find the scale factor, we take the diagram measurement. So in this case, it's 3.5 centimeters. And you divide it by the actual measurement, which is 0.25 millimeters. Now we can't do centimeters and millimeters, so we need to choose which unit we're going to do. So I'll move the decimal 1 spot over, and I will be doing 35 millimeters over 0.25 millimeters. So I just changed both of my units to millimeters because there is 10 millimeters in every centimeter, so it moves 1 position. So to get your answer, all you have to do is go 35 divided by 0.25, and you get 140. So the factor used for the scale diagram is 140.